Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you've got a Canon Maxify MB2720 and you're trying to connect it to a Wi-Fi, but it's just not happening, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process to get your printer connected to Wi-Fi in just a few minutes. First, take a quick look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. It's usually on the back or side. Alright, now move over to your printer. On the home screen, scroll and go into LAN settings. Once you're there, select Wireless LAN Setup. Now, from the options, select WPS. On the next screen, just tap on OK to start with WPS method. At this point, the printer will ask you to press and hold the WPS button on your router. Now, press and hold the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router for about 3 seconds. Once that's done, come to your printer and tap on OK. Give it a few seconds, and once the printer connects to your Wi-Fi, you'll see a confirmation message. Just tap on OK.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.